Hi folks, we've got a very windy day on the way as we go into Tuesday. We've got a deep area of low pressure off to the north of Scotland. This wind chart representing the higher mountain tops, suggesting that we've got wind speeds pretty widely across Scotland and the higher tops of northern England to 40 or even 50 miles per hour. This taking onwards into the middle of the day. The very strongest winds focused on the north of Scotland, so the Cairngorm Plateau in particular could well see gusts 60-70 miles per hour or perhaps a bit more over those highest tops, and the general strengthening of that wind across much of northern Britain through the afternoon. So even the lakes and the Pennines, 50-60 mile per hour gusts are quite possible. Generally lower speeds in Wales, still a blustery day, the least of the strongest winds towards the far south. And in general, the winds will tend to ease down as we go onwards overnight and into Wednesday. That's the low pressure system then that's driving these powerful winds. It's the one that brought the heavy rain during Monday daytime. In its wake is a legacy of showers, those coming into western areas through the day, and the far north of Scotland looking pretty wet as well with the wraparound of a front. Temperatures on the cool side just at face value on the thermometer, but add on the wind chill, it will be distinctly chilly for the end of July. Looking at rainfall, this is in 3-hour accumulated steps and shows that we've got a wraparound of that front across northern Scotland where the more persistent rain is. It's a showery mix elsewhere, giving a mil or so at a time, but some of those showers could be quite frequent coming into western areas of Scotland and drifting inland from Irish Sea coasts as the day progresses, tending to fizzle out somewhat as we head to the back end of the afternoon. Just to take that sequence onwards into Wednesday, and a few showers still moving their way in from western coasts early in the day, generally well scattered, and will tend to fade out more or less in most areas through the day, one or two still left across northern Scotland. The next fronts edging their way across Ireland by Wednesday night, likely to bring some rain and drizzle, chiefly to westernmost coastal hills in Scotland into early Thursday, but that might just become a bit more extensive across the west and northwest Highlands up to around Skye and Torridon through the day on Thursday, and patchy rain may even extend a bit further eastwards. We just need to watch the detail on that at this stage. There's your synoptic charts then. Wednesday keeps a westerly breeze across northern Britain, the ridge of high pressure that's building up from the south and the fronts that are waiting away to the southwest. Temperatures then still rather cool, just nudging up a degree or so on Tuesday. And as the airflow turns more to the south by Thursday and those fronts do push northwards, increasingly humid and warm air is drawn across the British Isles, feeling very warm across England and Wales in the sunshine. We'll have the full outlook into the weekend in your planning video on Tuesday, but that's been your MWIS Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.